Before these old phones can reveal their hidden value, they must first arrive at the recycling facilities from homes.
Before the recycling process begins, every phone goes through a careful sorting stage. Workers separate different devices and identify the. After sorting, the phones are transported to the dismantling section. Here, advanced machines and skilled workers prepare each device for the next stage of recycling, humans. The first physical transformation begins here. Workers carefully open each phone and separate valuable components from leaf. Inside every mobile phone is a small but valuable circuit board. These boards contain copper, silver, and tiny traces of.
To unlock the valuable metals hidden inside the circuit boards, the material must first be broken down into smaller pieces.
Hindrance. The next stage uses powerful separation technology. Magnetic systems remove unwanted metals, allowing swings. After separation, the concentrated materials move into the refining section. Here, advanced industrial methods are used. During refining, unwanted materials are removed step by step. What remains is a concentrated form of precious metals that can eventually be transformed into pure gold. The purification stage removes the final impurities from the recovered material. Slowly, the hidden value inside the purified metal now enters the melting stage. Under extreme heat, the recovered material transforms into a liquid form, preparing it for the final step of gold production. After purification, the recovered precious metal is carefully cast into solid forms. This stage transforms microscopic singletons. Once the metal has cooled, specialists inspect its quality and purity. Every piece is tested to ensure that the recovery cools. Before the recovered gold can leave the factory, it must pass strict quality tests. Advanced instruments confirm the purity and formations. After passing quality checks, the recovered gold is carefully stored and prepared for use. A material once hidden in sempismus. After recovery and testing, every piece of refined gold is carefully recorded and tracked. This final control step ensures that from millions of old Nokia phones, a small amount of precious metal has been successfully recovered. This process.
The recycling journey does not end with gold recovery. Every remaining material from old phones continues through different recycling.
Gold is only one part of the story. The plastic shells from millions of old Nokia phones are also recovered, sorted, and recycled. After shredding, the plastic pieces must be cleaned before they can be reused. Advanced washing systems remove dirt and stains.
After cleaning, the recycled plastic must be completely dried. Removing moisture is an important step.
The cleaned plastic flakes are now transformed into reusable pellets. These small recycled pieces can become the raw material for creating new plastic. After separation, recovered copper moves into another processing stage. This valuable metal can be melted and refined. Not every component becomes raw material. Advanced optical inspection systems identify reusable electronic parts, reducing dose. Even the smallest parts of an old mobile phone can have value. Tiny gold-plated connectors and electronic contacts are carried. The recovered precious materials now enter another purification stage. Advanced filtration systems. To achieve the highest level of purity, the recovered precious metal enters an electro-refining process. Using fusions. After the electro-refining process, the collector plates contain a layer of highly purified gold. Skilled technicians carefully. The final transformation begins as purified gold enters the melting stage. Under carefully controlled temperatures, tiny
needs. After reaching the correct purity level, the molten gold is carefully shaped into solid forms. This final casting.
After casting, the gold must cool and stabilize before the final inspection. Specialists carefully examine each piece to confirm. Before leaving the factory, every gold bar goes through strict quality control. Precision instruments verify its weight and purity, ensuring that the recovered gold meets industry standards. After passing every inspection, the recovered gold is moved into secure storage. A material that started inside missions. The final inventory confirms the success of the recycling process. Every recovered gold bar is carefully measured, documented. While the recovered gold completes one journey, the factory continues processing thousands of other devices. At this stage, the valuable metals are carefully collected and prepared for purification. What once looked like useless through multiple stages of separation and purification, tiny amounts of gold hidden inside millions of phones can finally be recovered and prepared for reuse. After countless steps of recovery and purification, the hidden gold inside millions of old phones becomes a valuable material.
Every recovered gold bar represents thousands of discarded devices given a second life. Recycling technology turns yesterday's waste.
The cycle is complete. What was once considered waste is now a valuable resource, ready to be reused.